Hey traders, a quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. And sorry for the late video as I was out of town and just got home a couple of minutes ago. So let's start our analysis with nat gas first. So what do we have right here? So price is still below the 50 and 20 EMA and also in the level of trend continuation zone as mentioned in my yesterday's video. So again, I won't be buying nat gas as long as we are below 50 EMA, and all I'm looking at a good signal which is a bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA. And if you look here, that is a bearish candle, but that invalidates one of my rule. That is why I did not enter this trade. If you are my student in MMTA, then you know what rule that is not met here. So for now, I'm still looking for my entries, a bearish entries, which is a bearish engulfer that must happen below 50 EMA. We can get one green candle close above 50 EMA, that is totally fine. But if we have a next candle close below 50 EMA, that is still our sell signal. So I'm not taking any buy trades as long as we are below the EMAs, as long as we are in this zone. Only going to take my buy trades once we have a good momentum above 50 EMA with at least two green candles closed above 50 EMA, and then I start to look for my pullback and take long trades. So that is why I'm just looking for condition. We have no condition yet. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short, which is a less aggressive way to enter. So keep looking for conditions, something like bearish engulfers, or if you get a double top pattern within this zone, in that case we are good to go short. And then we have a minor zone which is 2.717 goes up to 2.772, from where I will look for a little push up to take my buy trades if we get to this level, if we have a push down. Otherwise, keep looking for conditions. Without conditions, we are not taking any trades. And also, we are still in an uptrend on a higher time frame. We are not in a downtrend. So all I'm looking at a little scalp of sell trade if we have a condition, and look for another buy opportunity from this minor support, and we have a 50 EMA support as well before the price will head higher. So only looking for short-term sell trades if we have a condition. Otherwise, we are still in an uptrend on a higher time frame, but I look for my condition for buy, like I said, with the two green candles close above 50 EMA with a pullback and then another long trades. Everything will happen with conditions only. Here on NEMEX, exactly the same like I've just mentioned. If we have a bearish condition below 50 EMA, we have a sell signal. We're going to take a little scalp of sell trade, and then we look for the condition here. If we have that, a bullish engulfers or double bottom, we're going to take our long trades from this area. Otherwise, the next buy trade will be from here, or if you have completely broken below 50 EMA with a good momentum and the zone as well, then in that case, I'll start to look for my buy trades. Again, we are still in an uptrend on higher time frame. As you can see, we are above 50 EMA on higher time frame. So all I'm looking at a little scalp on sell trade if we have a conditions. Next one, we have gold. So and now I can see a possible formation of a double top pattern, which we have a very aggressive way to enter this double top pattern. As you can see, we have this red candle, a formation of double top. If you're aggressive trader, that is your entry for sell trades. Stop loss will be above. Take profit wherever you want to take it. I'm expecting some good pullback from here. Buy trades will be only if we have a break above this rejection box right here. In that case, I'll start to look for my buy condition, or once we have a good pullback followed by bullish engulfer, in that case I'll take my buy trades. Gold is now pushing lower. Like I mentioned yesterday, that we can get a good push down from this double top pattern, a very aggressive way to enter, and stop loss above this wick and take profit 1-to-1. And as you can see, $23 take profit has been hit, barely hit, and then the price pushed back up. Now what do we have? I've also mentioned that I'll be looking at a signal like bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA, and wherever I get a signal, I'm going to enter my buy trade. So we have exact condition. As you can see, we have a bullish engulfing pattern. So now we can get a push up to a rejection box, and the ATR of this candle is $11. We can get a push up, as you can see, $11, which is till this rejection box. So it's good to go for a little scalp with this candle with $11 push up. And then what I'll do, I'll look for a good double top pattern, which we are getting. As you can see, we have a first top and then we get a second top here. If we have that, we are good to go. So as long as the price hit the zone and reject it within this zone, not closing above this zone, in that case I look for my sell conditions with bearish engulfers, red candles, or inverted hammer 382 candle. Whatever signal I get for my sell trades, I will enter my sell trade. So these are the conditions I mentioned yesterday. Keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short from here. I'm looking for a little bounce, looking at this bullish engulfer till this rejection box to take another sell trades. For trend continuation, bullish trades, I want to see a complete break and close above this high for a complete reversal. Right here on silver, exactly the same as mentioned yesterday. We did not get any sort of bullish engulfer right here, so I won't be entering this trade. And as you can see, this candle is smaller than the previous candle. So all I'm looking at, the condition that can either happen at the zone which I've mentioned yesterday, 22.57, to look for another bullish trade. If I have a bullish condition here, something like this, I'm going to take my long trade. So this is the condition for long trades if I get a pullback to my green zone, or or the next long trade will be above this high, and then I'll start to look for my pullback to take another long, and the next zone to take sell trades will be right up there, which I've mentioned yesterday already, the number in blue, if you want to plot these zones on the chart. So we have no condition yet for silver. I'm still waiting for the condition for buy trades only, as we are above 50 and 20 EMA both. Last one, we have crude oil. It's now pushing lower and now about to hit the level of major support, which is 82.11, goes up to 84.05, from where I want to see a condition like bullish engulfer, double bottom, or 382 candle. Once we have that, we are good to go long. So we are still pushing down in the zone. All I want to see a good push down. Once we have that, I start to look for my buy condition. Only for now, we are still above the zone, and we can get a possible pullback of few green candles and then followed by bearish engulfer. If I see this condition below 50 EMA, and I'll take another sell trade till the price at my level below in green. Once we have that, we are good to go short. For long, only once we are in the zone followed by some sort of bullish signal. Once we have that, we are good to go long. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.